Quick look at the semiconductor trade for May 26, 2026. This is the triple leveraged semis, SOXL. It closed somewhere around 190 this morning, 10 or 12% gap up, huge volume, an initial burst up to plus 20%, some profit taking, and then steady buying all afternoon into the close, where it finished up 18.5% for the day. And then in the afternoon, at the time of, or in the aftermarket, I should say, it was up 3%. In the time that I have make this chart, it's up another 0.5%, so it's at 3.4%. This is not the behavior of a sector where the owners look frightened. In the context, yeah, it's closing trading up around 2.5. We'll be ready for another gains.